they say no bias on yammer, would be see on to be shia, or bias or fortified. What does it with my conentokwa? What I say? Obey my contokano. Bryan Acheampong air camp, Abe class with Bawumia camp. Hey, the Flagbearer RACE air console. Now Bryan Acheampong air camp, any Bawumia camp, a clash. And be seeing there. Media that's so. A yard and then talk a case. I Penyah block media. That's what I say any day. Over like a video, no other, my subscribe button, some back and keep notification, latest updates. I'm better than doing their mammy. Ever comments as much as well basma. No actually video more for us and be actually 80 Enra. And I'm brave catch was a Bryan Acheampong, yet Dr. Bryan Acheampong, Abetifi member of Parliament. Honorable. Ahead of the 2028 NPP Flagbearer RACE no. And the Munonzo Obia air in the camp, egg cannon, same way as a better delegate not to assume na ombeto, Eddie Aman, promise na ombeto, Eddie Aman, Emu, and a Bryan Acheampong, or going a simpious, and an orcasa, Nandeka Simono. Anna, or can't say, I say, I'm out for just and tray.
A Muslim president. A Muslim president. And I still believe in that. To be a who is now convinced to say we don't need a president from the north or we don't need a president from the north, from a Muslim or a northern. Nobody can convince me. I still believe that because our party must evolve as a national party. Nobody can convince me. But we need the first thing a man put together is power. In selecting our presidential candidate, we need to select one, even if we are going to select it from the north, one that can win us power. And I have said it, that if a Muslim candidate now or a Bawumia, or a Bimoba, any other tribe, or will be a young problem, then you make not have a chapa and coming out of contest. Bawumia is a fine candidate. You never been candidate. He's only a victim of circumstance. He's only a victim of circumstance. And then there are who feedback. Kusasi for any man who for no problem. President Kufuano, we need NPP vote Kusasi. We need NPP vote Kusasi. President Kufuor, we need NPP vote Kusasi. And we need NPP vote Kusasi. And this is a so called Jiran conform you. I am a Faba and Yapa. And in 2024, about 1 a quarter, a free OT. Ediko upper east, upper west, and northern, upper western region. The Lucy is the one. It's a new power. And if you are a victim of circumstances, it's not your fault. I may not know anything. But we cannot wait. This situation, we and I have vampires for him, Penyah solve in 2028. But the suspicion will not go away. And NPP will not be held ransom and stay in opposition because of this matter. And that is a fact. We are in this business to win power. And here emotional and here personalities. I'll give you examples. We are here to win power. And the NDC always shows us the way. There's no emotions. You give me the say you're confident here, and you have got money. Okay, you're confident here. Sometimes we get carried away with emotions when we have to do the politics. I would have contested power. I would have contested power. So by election, by election. You can't say that the papa. And you can't point out fast one. The coin. But by nation, you wouldn't hear it. And we are a political party. Until you say, you have got Kamalinu Krano, they are protesting how I 2028, that is what we want to do. Otonisa, every Akunyano Abeto holiday, and found only 187, 183 or parliament. So when now, we will to grow up a woman or even 2028.
What I say, or the man pussy, any kuzazi for issue no, or the sense about Bawumia komu, any ade, and no crown Bawumia, ebe defend and hoka cra.
As we prepare to go into the primaries, I am very, very concerned and troubled that some of our presidential aspirants have embarked on a religious and tribal bigotry and propaganda against me in a desperate attempt to win votes. They totally ignore all the data and findings about why we lost the 2024 elections and want to mislead the delegates and the party with such propaganda. The one such issue that has come up, and I think it's important for all of us to know, is the Mamprosi-Kusasi conflict. An aspirant has said that delegates should not vote for me because I am a Mamprosi man, and that we will lose votes in the Kusasi areas and other areas. This is very unfortunate and demonstrates a complete lack of understanding of the situation on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, since 1965, there have been 11 elections in Ghana. Since 1965. And the performance of the NPP in the our tradition, in the 6 Boku zone seats, there are 6 seats in the Boku zone. If you look at it, the performance is as follows. In 1965, our tradition had 0 seats. At that time, I was only 2 years old. I had nothing to do with it. In 1969, we had 2 seats. In 1979, under the Tosu's leadership, we had 0 seats. In 1996, we had 0 seats in that area. In 2000, we had 1 seat. In 2004, under President Ford, we had 0 seats. 2008, we had 1 seat. 2012, under President Akufo-Addo, we had 0 seats. 2016, we had 2 seats. 2020, we had 1 seat. And 2024, we went back to 0 seats. What all the data is saying is that out of the 6 seats in the NPP, out of the 6 seats, the 11 elections, NPP has 0 in 6 of the 11 elections. So this is not an area that is a stronghold of the NPP. In fact, it took the whole Boku zone, the 6 constituencies put together, we lost just 30,000 votes in 2024. So you can't lose, it is not the Boku election that made us lose 2024. And we need to be very clear about that the data shows that the Boku factor was not a factor in the outcome of the 2024 elections, that we should stop moving in that direction. And
now, right after that, no, Anna Bawumia camp, I didn't course no omani anya ho. Don't make us know. I said, Bryan Acheampong, doctor. Oh yeah, internal politics. Now, baby MPP is here. Internal politics no dey here. It won't help us. It honorable. What me do ya? Stop it.
Bryan Acheampong aka asem bi na asem na waka na utum hu se tribalism pa. Akwa no ese ensese NPP fo eto aba edema Bawumia. Na Bawumia eye mampurisi ni na mampurisi fo ene kosi asefo kontokwa. Because of ntokwa omokunti na ma omopati no elusu election no. Oposo ochire se all other areas ya Ghana for to abaditi a NPP no because of kosase ene mampurisi ntokwa omoko. Bryan Acheampong ese se NPP for enim na so moto aba edema Bawumia ene omopati no entumi ma power bill sa na Bryan Acheampong eka. Bryan Acheampong in tribalism na ewo mu NPP for emu a mo kasa mo de trap ewura party mu no mo party no ma power bill awun say o kasa na bobo some areas ma underestimate any other area. Se kosi asefo any mamprisifoɔ ɛko ntɔkwa a ɛmfa abonofo ho ɛna ɛmfa western region fo ho ɛmfa central region fo ho ɛna ɛmfa volta region fo ho areas we anto aba ntia Bawumia because of say kosi ase any mamprisi ɛko ntɔkwa because of amamuo bɔne ɛne nsɛmhunu a moba ya mobɛdi yɛ ma montaki Ghana for granted you abusua mo ankasa montie nsɛm a Bryan Acheampong ɛka
Kusasi for any mamprisi for no problem. President Kufuano, winning NPP vote the Kusasi. Winning NPP vote the Mamprisi. President Kufuor winning NPP vote the Kusasi. And winning NPP vote the Mamprisi. And this answer to quality rank of me in I am a Faba and Yapa. And in 2024, apart from a court, a free OT. Ediko upper east, upper west, and northern, upper western region. The Lucy is a woman. It's an power. And if you are a victim of circumstances, it's not your fault. I may not know anything, but we cannot wait. This situation, we and I have one price on him, Penyah solve in 2028. But the suspicion will not go away. And NPP will not be held ransom and stay in opposition because of this matter. And that is a fact. We are in this business to win power. And here emotional and here personalities. I'll give you examples. We are here to win power. And the NDC always shows us the way. There's no emotions. If you can say you're confident here, and you have got money, you're confident here. Sometimes we get carried away with emotions when we have to do the politics. Me, I would have contested power. I would have contested power. So my election, my EU.
We are friendly letter to Honorable Dr. Bryan Acheampong. Me pacho se uwini a obekọ mamprusi for ho se omuntu abani mawana. Me pacho kusasi for mu Ghana ha nyina no. Omu bedu 2 million plus vote ana. Because 2020 no vote ayenya no. Eso tie 2024 no more than 2 million plus vote. First no musi akanfo no mumpe Dr. Bawumia oye Muslim ni pepe ni nti no mento abana ma no. Actually musi Christopher no mumpe Muslim ni nti no mento abana ma no. Sisi wabase kusasi fo no mumpe mamprusi ni eni nti no mento abana ma no. Ye lusu domi kwabenya, ye lusu Honorable Henry Quarty, Honorable Oslowusu, takwanswayem, asi North, asi Central. Anye bi ami bisa o, eho nyina no na mamprusi fo ni kusasi fo eku tokwa.
Evans na Bawumia camp edeba ye no. Eno ana Bryan Acheampong camp so abayo project say massa. Bryan Acheampong is not doing any internal politics or any tribal politics bia. He spoke nothing but the naked truth.
You know what, don't make it say, or you come over party. The one who will say, Afaha, and your bar, and one party will be able to do this. Your first says, so with me, a generation, and the South Africa, a generation, about what done, about party, as in Penyah. Then I'm for Castle, and someone. I know the temple, so my camera. I they think that you are doing tribal politics. As a campaign manager, what she has in way, not a man for somebody, how do you take it?
No, the question is tribal politics. They didn't say. Okay, I said tribal tribal politics. What Bryan is doing is only to make Ghanaians understand. Say, Bawumia, I am only a victim of circumstance. It is a person of us. Bawumia, you cannot say Bryan, you cannot say 2024. Bryan was a typical guy in Bawumia. In fact, so the Bawumia was the Bryan support for that election. Bryan still respect him so much. But the only thing, Ghanaians MTS here, and they say the way Bryan move with fire, no.
anya Ghanaians bo no mo fo say Bryan ya sound our competition you know the way you person with the Bryan back no mo track and some na no that is what is bringing about this tribal politics thing. Bryan here tribal politics Bryan ko jabe ka say me yakoni ana me asanteni masifra asante e de montuma asante fo Bryan ko jabe bia ka say media me president and the president for nyina to mame Bryan ko jabe bia ka say me every friend saying infante e de infante fo munya media na chi on carry visa what is the camera carry visa on sir he is only trying to enlighten us say because of conflict that was thrown two particular groups as our group see Bakumu ena yewura Dr. Bawumia preaching ama affected Dr. Bawumia through no fault of his. No, because on Penyah the Bakokra, and who is going to tell me is a Bryan tribal politics? What the tribal politics here? It's an obvious fact. Say Dr. Bawumia free one of these tribes. It's an obvious fact. Say two abandon because of Sahara and Sena one of the groups who felt maybe threatened and did not do what he was going to do to NPP. Meanwhile, time passed. Saa two groups in Nigeria, you need more to have mind. And why would anybody decide to come out and say things which will bring this gentleman down just because he's going up? Papa, no, why not you say, or your focus? Whatever anybody wants to do to bring him down, OTA. Modia, last or can say, Wabua party, and that's what TSC party, Motar, and someone at Tobono. And they also, a friend is saying, Dr. Bawumia, a friend is saying, unfortunate victim, situation may affect you, and Yama, party suffer through no fault of his, no, and also Modino again government. Senator Frache, Southern Kodia in America. Say, Bryan, you know, Mr. Bryan. But me a company for Bawumia. Party way unity, no, it will take us a very long time. The reason being that the two forward and another, anybody know order than one. Bryan ever two one. But why always say we mean support to we mean support to we. So our platforms who are going to talk for they fight, they say all sort of things. Now my youngster says some you never say to bring Bryan down. And the elevated the Papa. Mr. Bryan will never disrespect Dr. Bawumia. Bryan will always love Dr. Bawumia. Say Dr. Bawumia will win election, never win election now. Bryan will be the happiest person. And let nobody think, say in doing this to Bryan, it is going to elevate anybody else. It is rather bringing all of us down. Because Bryan is a unifier that's going to bring the two factions together to get the party win election. Thank you.
Bryan Acheampong can on a more serious note, in fact, MPP, you must know how to come together because one thing say Bryan Acheampong kwa eco primaries, say Bryan Acheampong correne Flagbearer RACE na near the unknown kwa without the support from Kennedy camp, any Bawumia camp, or intimate puli any votes. Sana Bawumia so eco no correne primaries without the support from Bryan Acheampong camp, any Kennedy Japan camp, also intimate correne. Sana Kennedy so correne primaries next year presidential candidate without the support from Bryan Acheampong camp, any Bawumia camp. Camp ain't man go pull vote. Ain't you should understand these terminologies. Now, mama togetherness, muntimin come humomo. And yet, this is creating hatred. This is creating hatred. Muntimin come humomo. This is little piece of advice to the leadership from the NPP. We wait to actually watch Amame. Comment section. I have Penyah Block Media. Accra.